Hello, today I'm going to show you how to back up your Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it's going to work the same on all Apple Watches. So, the backup of the Apple Watch is doing by itself every time your watch is near your iPhone, which is connected to your Apple Watch. So, if you have your Apple Watch connected to this specific iPhone, as you can see, this is this watch, this is the Apple Watch that is connected to this specific iPhone, as you can see right now. Every time your Apple Watch is near your iPhone, it is going to do backup by itself on this specific iPhone. If you want to get the backup on the iCloud, you need to go to the settings, and let me show you from the main screen. You want to go to the iCloud settings, as you can see right now, and you want to go to iCloud backup, and you need to turn on the backup of this specific phone. So if you turn it on, it is going to send backups automatically to your iCloud, or you can just click backup now if you want to do the backup on this specific moment. For example, you have changed something, or you have some important data that came to you right now at this moment, so you want to back up now, and every time you are going to back up this specific iPhone, you're going to also get the backup of your Apple Watch. So this is it. This is how you do a backup of your Apple Watch. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.